Hi everyone, I'm Joel from Joel Hood Property, and today I'm really excited to be able to show you through this extremely well renovated, single level, 4-bedroom home in Peregian Springs. What the owners have loved most is the privacy the property offers. Situated on 800 square metres, there are no neighbours to the rear and there is an abundance of bird life. The home has been cleverly zoned around a brand new open plan kitchen, dining and living space that spills out onto the covered entertaining, which has been fitted with electric blinds. From there, it's straight onto the grassed area and pool, perfect for family and pets to stretch out and enjoy.
Run away into your escape. Run away, you're never too far to run. Run away into your escape. Run away. It gets so loud that I can barely hear.
Thanks so much for watching. If you're looking for a renovated home on a generous sized block surrounded by established vegetation, I highly recommend you come and see the home for yourself. I'm Joel Hood and I look forward to showing you through soon.
Running until I